Hey everyone. Buy is a very common and super useful word in English, but it gets used incorrectly quite often. So today we're going to look at 8 ways to correctly use the word buy. Buy can be near, in the passive voice, how to do something, and things done alone. Also, it is a method of transportation, communication, and payment. And finally, deadlines. So we'll start with these, the methods of. The method of transportation. Usually, we go to school by bus. Did you come here by train? I think Jack left by bike. The word by and then a transportation means that's the method of doing it. Next is communication. I'll have my final interview by Zoom. Check for the update I sent by email. People used to talk by telephone. The word by and a communication means that's the method of it. And finally, payment. Can we pay for this by check? Let me pay you by cash this time. You can pay by Alipay here. Again, buy and a payment is the method of doing it. We'll move on to deadlines. Finish your work by Friday. It means Friday is when it must be completed before. Can you be here by 6 p.m.? 6 p.m. would be the latest you can arrive. Can you be here by 6 p.m.? I must pay my tuition by May. Anytime before May is fine. By May. Next, let's focus on these 4. By can mean near. I live over by the stadium. Put your project by the window. You saw us by the park, right? In these cases, you could replace the word by with near, and it would be perfectly fine. You saw us near the park, right? Passive voice also uses the word by. The window was broken by George. Movie night is organized by us. Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. If you want to know more about passive voice, there's a whole video of it right up there. Next is how to do something. Turn on the fan by using the remote. You can lose weight by jogging. I'll learn by asking more questions. Also notice all of the verbs after by have an ing. By using, by jogging, by asking. And finally, things done alone. He fixed this by himself. Amazing. Don't clean by yourself. I'll help. We can handle this by ourselves. One thing to notice about these examples is that the noun following by are all reflexive nouns. If you're curious about reflexive pronouns, you can check the video I just put up in the corner for you. And there we go. By. The 8 ways to use by. If you want another lesson, check this one out right here. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.